Hello everyone, welcome to Investor Zone's weekly podcast. Today we are going to discuss about Nifty and Bank Nifty range for Thursday expiry as on 22nd of July. As we know that we have witnessed a heavy sell-off as of Wednesday, and Nifty has fallen somewhat around 0.75%, and Bank Nifty fall around 1.90% on Tuesday. Now we'll be discussing in this podcast like what should be the expiry strategy. I have with me Shankesh. Hi Shankesh.
Yeah. Hi.
Shankesh, looking at the Nifty and Bank Nifty chart, where do you see Nifty expiring tomorrow?
So a funny thing is that on Friday last week, we closed, I guess, around 15,923. And 2 day fall on Monday and Tuesday, we witnessed a huge fall from 15,900 to 15,580.
Correct.
So for tomorrow expiry, so after 2 days of falling today, there was some respite in terms of holiday. So आज छुट्टी थी, so there is some respite from that. But looking at the global market,
Mm-hmm.
so the Dow Jones has actually recovered its entire fall of Friday last week,
Correct.
right? But tomorrow we are having an expiry, and Nifty still has not broken its support of 15,600 or 15,550.
Correct.
Right. So from last 1 to 2 months, it has been trading in a narrow range from 15,600 to 15,900.
Mm-hmm.
So it is still in that range. So it might take support tomorrow around 15,550.
Mm-hmm.
And for downside, I think 15,550 should be a good support.
Okay.
And for upside, 15,700 to 15,750.
Mm-hmm.
So I guess that would be the maximum, should be the maximum range
Okay.
for tomorrow. 15,800 is a rock solid resistance for Nifty,
Correct.
right? So 15,800 is not expected to be broken. 15,700 may pose a little bit of resistance,
Mm-hmm.
but still expecting a range of 15,750 to 15,550.
Do you think like if Nifty breaks 15,700 tomorrow, we should initiate longs on the Nifty, or we can sell like 15,600 put or 15,700 put?
Yeah, sure. I think if 15,700 is crossed tomorrow,
Mm-hmm.
then we should try to add new longs to our positions, because so it has like I said now, 15,600 is the support since last June, 3rd June. So it is support from there. So it is consolidating in a narrow range of 300 points.
Correct.
So if we see a reversal again from 15,600, then I think it can again go, and 15,700 is crossed. So I
Mm-hmm.
think it can again go towards 15,900.
Yes. Hopefully it goes towards 15,900 and hopefully it crosses 16,000 before the monthly expiry. That's all
Yeah,
we are hoping for from July month, and July month have been very positive for it has a good history. July has a good history. So
right,
let's
right.
moving on to Bank Nifty. What is your view on Bank Nifty? We have seen Bank Nifty taking a nosedive in the last few trading sessions. So
Yeah, Bank Nifty fell from 35,800, I guess, to 35,400, or
it touched
34,400.
36,000. I remember Bank Nifty futures were trading 36,000.
Yeah, 36,000 on 15th July.
Correct. So
On expiry day, last week expiry. So it
mhm,
was around 36,000. So from last expiry to this expiry, this has already fallen about 1,500 points. So I guess that's more than around 3%.
mhm.
But right now it's near its support. So 34,400, 34,000. 600. So this is a good support for Bank Nifty. So, but Bank Nifty anyways is weak due to HDFC Bank,
Okay.
right? So we have to HDFC Bank is the heavyweight for both Bank Nifty and Nifty. And
Mm-hmm.
HDFC Bank's result that was announced on Friday,
Mm-hmm.
there was not a very exciting thing about the HDFC Bank result.
Mm-hmm.
So again, the whole fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty was led by HDFC Bank and HDFC Limited,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
So HDFC again is trading around its support. So if it bounces back from now and hopefully it bounces from here, so
Mm-hmm.
I'm expecting a range of 34,000 on the downside or 34,100 on the downside in Bank Nifty for tomorrow, and 34,900 in Bank Nifty in terms of resistance.
So one interesting thing I have seen on HDFC Bank's chart. So HDFC Bank is having like 200 EMA support around 1410. Okay, and right now HDFC Bank has closed around 1440 level. So if we see further fall in HDFC Bank tomorrow, till say by 20 odd rupees, do you suggest that we should go long on HDFC Bank by buying a call option or by buying a future of HDFC? Because that is a good support at 1410. And I don't know if it falls beyond 1410, that would be havoc on both Nifty and Bank Nifty for
Bank
sure.
Nifty, right?
So yeah,
Right, right.
so
So 1450 to 1460 was the previous swing low for Bank
uh,
Nifty.
mm-hmm,
Right. So on Tuesday, HDFC Bank opened gap down below that level and
mm-hmm,
also closed below that level. So if I look on the weekly on hourly chart, so HDFC clearly shows that it has broken its support and it's trading below the support and has given close below that support of 14,000
1400, 1440,
1460 to 1450.
correct.
So yeah, if HDFC opens negative again tomorrow,
Mm-hmm,
then 1440 again might be can be said about a small support, but still if it goes below 1400, 1400 in the range of 1400 to 1410, so I
mm-hmm.
am expecting a more correction in Bank Nifty till 1380. So I am expecting 60 points more fall from here if 1420 or 1410 is broken. So
So you
HDFC clearly is looking weak
okay?
on hourly or daily chart.
Okay. So we suggest if HDFC Bank falls or if it comes in the range of 1400 to 1410, then probably we should wait for a reversal to happen on the closing basis, and
Right.
then we can then if everything settles and if everything is on the positive side, we can go long on HDFC Bank or a Bank Nifty futures.
Or Bank
Correct.
Nifty.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Okay. Okay.
So
And
if HDFC Bank being a market leader, so all the other banks follow the suit.
mhm.
But when looking at the global, mild positive tomorrow, we can expect some positive bias for tomorrow. So for Nifty, if we conclude, so for
Mhm.
Nifty, our range should be around 15,550 to 15,750. So
Okay.
200 point range.
Mhm.
And for Bank Nifty, 34,900 on upside and 34,000 100 to 34,200 on downside.
Okay. And any specific sector that you are looking for to trade on expiry?
Yeah, so for expiry tomorrow, banking are clear. Like I said, HDFC Bank and banking stocks are clearly uh, are a bit weak. So
Mm-hmm.
we should look at how the opening happens tomorrow.
Mm-hmm.
Another sector is IT sector, so it is also not performing right now. So main sectors, IT and banking, both are under pressure. So that's what's putting the pressure on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So if we see some recovery tomorrow, so I guess banking and IT stocks can give a significant up move for tomorrow.
Okay. So thank you, Shankesh, and to all our listeners, I'll just conclude. For Nifty, we are looking for a range of around 15,500 to 15,750. And probably if you are trading in Nifty, you can sell out of the money strangles in that particular range to earn
Right.
decent profits. And for
Right.
Bank Nifty, you can sell strangles for 34,000 200, you mentioned 200, correct?
Yeah, 200,
34,200
100. Right.
to 35,000. That would be a safe range for you to trade. I know premiums are low because of low India VIX rate, but that's how it has been throughout the month. We were eating on low premiums only, so that would be a safe strategy if at all you want to trade tomorrow. So that's it
Yeah.
from our side, and signing off, investors.
Thank you.